Hi, so today I'm going to show you one of the example on how to assess patient during OPD. But before that, let me give you a brief explanation on what OPD is. OPD commonly stands for Outpatient Department, and this department in hospitals and clinics provide medical services to those patients who doesn't require a overnight hospitalization. Services that typically offered in OPD includes consultation with doctors, diagnostic tests, minor treatments, and routine checkups. And for the patient who will visit the OPD for medical attention, will going to return home the same day. And also, the most common objective of OPD is to provide accessible, effective, and quality care, including diagnosis, treatment, follow-ups by promoting health through education and prevention. It also provides quality care using modern techniques while ensuring patient satisfaction. So without further ado, let me go ahead and play a scenario while patient is being assessed during OPD.
Morning, ma'am. Pasok po. Come here. Sit down po muna. Ano concern po nila, ma'am? May previous record na po ba dito?
Wala pa po.
Kunin ko lang po yung name at saka edad ng pasyente.
Ray Ann Serrano po, 18 years old.
Kunin ko muna yung timbang mo, ma'am. Kunin ko muna vital signs, ma'am. Temperature. Okay, tatas. Ang gas. Taas ko yung kamay sa dibdib po. Temperature. Normal naman, wala na pong laglag. And pulse rate is 77. Normal. At saka, kuha na tayo ng blood pressure. Alam niyo po ba yung previous blood pressure nito? Okay, blood pressure is 120/80. So, normal naman. Okay, ma'am. Wait na lang po for your turn. Natawagin yung pangalan ng natin po. Maupo na lang muna po kayo. Thank you po. Welcome. Number 4. Kain na na. Upo na kayo dito, ma'am. Good morning, Doc. Good morning. Ano po concern natin?
Yung upo po niya, Doc, 2 weeks na, hindi pa rin gumagaling.
May pinainom ka na bang gamot?
Cetirizine po, once a day.
Eh, mami, anong kulay naman yung plema niya?
Yun pong green na plema, mag-1 week na po.
Ah, ganyan po ba? Sige lang malalim. Stop na muna natin yung cetirizine mo. Tapos, mag-carbosystem muna siya ng 1 week, 3 times a day. Tapos, if within 1 week, hindi pa umigiti yung kanyang pakiramdam, bibigyan na kita ng request ngayon, ipapalab test natin. CBC, tapos X-ray. Balikan mo ako after 1 week. Tapos, kung naman nagkalagnat naman siya, paracetamol na po. Paracetamol every 6 hours. Okay po?
Sige po, Doc. Thank you po. Tara na, nak.
I hope you found this presentation insightful and engaging. That's all for me today. Remember to rest and take care of yourself.